Now, coming to the last part or the final part of this session, let's understand how to choose the best social media platform. Knowing what to market and how to market plays a vital role in choosing the right social media platform. So, here are a few points that you should consider before selecting any social media platform. Seek out your target audience, guys. Focus on what your customers are looking for and try to deliver accurate results. Also, define a good set of goals and build a good business strategy. Always concentrate on what your customers want, and delivering good content requires a lot of research, and also you should be good at social media management tools. And also, distributing your content is a must, guys. If you're working in an e-commerce site, you should know how to handle posts, you should know how to analyze your results, you should know how to track them, and so on, right? So these are a few factors which you should consider before selecting any social media platform.